Karyam tenrai ka dei shisha ka spah ba ya ka no ka jat ben rio. Karyam tenrai jong kinong shela ka di ka wei na pneng kiryam tenrai hapo ka ri khasi jantia ka bla yo e ka nam jong ka jingïaid tanat. Bat ka ne ka la urlong ling ba ka thaiñ Khneng ka ba dei ka rukom thaiñ ka bla don palat spah snem menta hapo ka stong shela ha ka ba ki long kme ka te ka thaiñ ki ju thaiñ ha ki jan phong tenrai Khneng ban pen ipu ipieng shu ya kiryam jong ki. Haka program play ya ka jaka ai jigi kai batru ban long kum ka jaka ban pinmi shu ya kum kini ki jan tenrai lani ka training kam production center haka snong Mustoh ka ba ha phashela bholaganj block ka bala pun long haka artare gunai lar arja arpulai lala ban pentip baki don arbanta ka wei ka de ka thaiñ Atiar bat ka wei ka de ka thaiñ Khneng. Ya ka nega program la plepat ba dong menteri ketanat CNRD u Abu Taher Mondal kumu kongsan haga jinga don lang u MLA ka thaiñ u ba balajit senram bat u SC Sadhu u secretary ka CNRD project director ka DRDA u ba PT pasa bat ki nong hisem banta ki ba kunthop naru sordar ka Mustoh ki officer ki nong mikmat ka USHA International Limited ki khna school bat ki nong song snong nakalyang u eti Mondal ulaong Daka jingïarap jong ka USHA International Limited daka ba kunthop lang ki rukom ki ba rimbat ki ba thamai an la banyarap ya ki ba buon ha ki ba buon ki liang.
My association with Khneng is only 2.5 months. Of course, I have seen embroidery on jingïaid, and with floral beauties, it looks great. But when we were attending a program, a Shillong Mail organized by our department in Polo grounds, I suddenly found our Kongs were wearing this unique dress. So I was inquiring and interacting with our CEO and SMM that whether self-help group is also use uniform or what. And then they explained to me that this is a unique embroidery which is almost 200 years old and is found in Mustoh village around 80 kilometers away from Shillong. And they use the yarn, the silk, which has been imported from around 135 kilometers from Kyrwoh district. Amazing. And immediately we thought, let us showcase this, the oldest tradition as far as our status goes and the design on fabric is concerned. Now the question is that, how do we propagate? How do we keep this tradition alive? Because of advent of artificial cloth making, is very difficult for us to sustain and compete with the market, where clothes of same design woven by a machine is much more cheaper. We have seen many places that our traditional weavers are in no match with the advent of science and technology. We have come here just to see that we have a training cum production center. Not only production center and not also training. We should have a training cum production center, and where USHA International has agreed to help us through their CSR program. And if we continue with this, with little changes of design, the change of taste that has been changing in our young consumers, if we can match on that, definitely this will be a hot cake. So design technology, infusing the old one and new one will definitely help. So to do branding, then you have to have the license. And when we sell outside, another thing which will be affecting is the price where GST will be tagged. So our Director CNRD is also Secretary Taxation, and I also hold Taxation Department. We just discussed that let us move to GST Council to exempt this brand from the GST charges. Then ultimately one benefit we will receive very soon, that people will come to Mustoh to see this embroidery, and there will be footfall of tourists. If tourism comes, then homestay will be a must. You will have to have homestays, you will have to have shops. I think employment generation also will be there. And the most important thing, to revive the history. Our forefathers, 200 years back, they started doing that. The same cloth was available in each and every part of the state, especially in Khasi Jayanti Hills region. But it is the people in 200 years back from Mustoh village who thought that if we put some border in our clothes, it will be more attractive. And I suppose that the term Khneng means border. So when we give the border in the clothes, definitely it becomes more attractive. So we got to see that we will be reviving our history.
Haba ai jing kran nakalyang ba baladiet uloang ba udap da ka jinkman ban yoi ba ka jing trestam bat ka jingsim khia jongki nong song snong bat ki longkmi ban pin khi embyang bat ban pan pau ya ka sap jong ka thañ shabro ka wei ka prathai bat ulak kan tu ya ki ba ki dei ban shem ya ka ni ka kabu kumno ban ple ki lat ki lynti ban yo ya ka kamai ka kaji lengba ki ni ki kam
taba ka sutana kalau ba nagini ki longkmai ki ban hangne ki shimkhie panale pasnoro bang penkhe impo kumno bang penpao ya ka sab jong ki bro na dong ka thana jong ha perthe bro we ti bang yo kam kini kila ya prakha do sa ki we pang kilite kamno bagila bang yo ya ka kamai ka kaji lamba kini ki kam dan menemui ilah klip atau pembuka giving center saya kerap kebaik ilah dok yo ni uset mo kuba lam wanra kadi penni uksai hantai berkunjung bang train lang berkaneka USHA hal nasional tikam kini gila kini kebaik yo habang iwan ki Robert la yolo pa hamne hathana jo kasam sahani hape kamno bang ye trishton bang penpao penni khamba yawi trishton kram hero hila bang yo ela ki jom kamai ki kaje namar kom kini ki lat kinente ki wat sin lano shim ya der kam ye trishton but ye longro ki ba ye tili abang-abang yang kerten coba di video hamne yang yasno khtilang te sobha yasno khtilang mo ablong ke betul di kwa ya keu temde ka taro kadega dong ka thañ jong kabab bon kima ko ki beu juni ila ba etre ya khna badang ba kani ka Khneng bang pelim pong ya kani kang ïarap shiban kalau bang dei lese bentar singe dia mundur batang bangkle ya Khneng hade perkha nila bang persan hadir hambor lembaga tourism department lembaga horticulture lembaga kiwipong department kam do bang promote ya ketika program thañ Khneng bada ka juga por convergence bat tourism mempromote ya ka dong ka thañ jong-jong Nalang kumaro arjana kuar adu agini isye katrishtom kamno mapakyo yala kajamashtom kramba kamba kajing paunam lemagi lagi kam penatraklo kapan muduri gibi gibro hakelek sawo kajela kelek sawo hari ji ba kata asnong kalong kumno kamno ki an kamno ki thai nesi kila bangwan sakiwi pong sponsors hakani asnong jompe bangwan kila penyeram pe te phiro ko asnong kum ga SSD ke ba thang ne ya khle iki tik thang jong jong krang ba kinyo kila te pangmi hawa krang ba pen kyo yela ne